Thank you so much. And your brothers were great. Just take a look at APC wonder. What Buhari and Tinubu have in common. Buhari sat for exam in 1961. He came up with NECO certificate. For exam he sat for when there was no NECO. The world reacted. He then came up with WAEC certificate. The world reacted. He then came up with Cambridge certificate. The same exam, but 3 certificates. As for Tinubu, he secured admission and studied in a particular school in Lagos, secondary school. Graduated from that school. All this he was able to achieve before 1970, when he graduated. Lo and behold, the same school that Tinubu gained admission and graduated from as at 1970 only came to be in 1974. So Tinubu had already graduated from that school before the school was formally established. That is what is called APC wonder. You can see that it's only APC members that can write an exam, and 3 institutions, 3 examination bodies will give them certificate for the same exam. NECO will give, WAEC will give, Cambridge will give. Only in APC. Men of questionable character. Questionable character. No integrity. Nothing. No honor. They don't care. That is the reason somebody without shame will tell you he schooled in he passed through a particular school, and he graduated from that school in 1970. But go and check the record. As at 1970, that school was not in existence. The same way Buhari wrote exam, NECO exam, and passed NECO when there was no NECO in existence. It speaks volume of the culture, the tradition, what a party is known for. From head down, what a party is known for. We will continue to pray and ask that God will intervene and save Nigeria and deliver Nigeria from a gang, men, evildoers, who do not care about their fellow man, who do not care about God, who do not care about the people. There is no limit to what they will do. There is no limit to what they will do. Let us share this video. It's true that there is no sense of shame, but let them continue to know that, look, the people are awake now. Nigerians know of their dirty deals. Nigerians know that they cannot be trusted. Nigerians know that they are without honor. Nigerians know that they are without shame. Nigerians know that there is no common sense. Let them know that Nigerians are waking up. And it's just a question of time. One day, it will be over. Share this video and